Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you are seeing my face for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram so you'll get updates of my life regularly. Okay guys, so as from the title you guys must be already knowing that I am going to talk about a product, but before that I'll just give you a brief that recently I have been on a trip again and I went Udaipur, and you can just go and watch that vlog after watching this video, link given in the description box. Okay guys, so yes, obviously since I have been out, so first thing, my voice has changed, sorry for that. And second thing, obviously my skin gets tan and I have to make it proper. So for that today we'll be using this product that is from Ekai Tomatina D Tan Face Pack, which is soothing and lightening, preservative free for all skin types. Yes, it claims that it is for all skin types, and my skin is combination skin, so let's try this out today. And the best part I loved about this is that it is of tomatoes, and I love tomatoes on my skin. I have done a DIY tomato skin care previously on my channel when I was a little girl, maybe like few years back. You can just go and watch that video as well, natural tomatoes DIY face pack. But I feel this will be more easy and convenient, so let's try this out. I'll be opening this package right now. It says that this Tomatina D Tan face mask is infused with the goodness of real tomatoes, which is your quick fix for tanned skin. This unique gel-based mask helps soothe uneven skin, lightens the effect of tan, and heals the skin to make it look rejuvenated and brightened. Okay, and the best part about this product is that the packaging. I just love the packaging. It feels like the Korean packages, like Korean product कभी देखे उनके packages भी ऐसे होते, colorful and the cartoonish type, and literally amazing. You can just check the packages of other products as well, and ये वाले product का भी packaging बहुत अच्छा है. You can just check that out. So yes, we'll just open this out. It is literally rich and antioxidant, and it is preservative free. You can store it anywhere. It comes 50 grams. You can buy this product from their website as well as on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description box. Okay, it's fully red in color, yaar. It's amazing, the texture. Eee. Okay, the texture is not that runny and not even thick, like normal सा ही texture है. It smells amazing. I just like the smell. Let's see apply. इसको ऐसे ही लगा देना रहता है. I haven't applied any of the makeup on my skin. I've just applied the lipstick and the kajal. So obviously when you are applying any of the face pack, make sure you have washed your face properly. Okay, so when you go outside for any of the trip or somewhere, it is obvious your skin gets tan, and after trips all these things are very important. Now we'll just wait for 10 to 15 minutes. This mask doesn't get dry. We have to just wait for 10-15 minutes and just wipe it off, so it's easy to wipe it off as well. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes and it hasn't dried, but I feel like वो दिख नहीं रहा है, it's not visible on skin, so I don't know what happened, but I'll just wipe it off with this cloth. I have just damped this cloth and I'll just wipe it off. Let's see. Okay, yeah, see. Okay guys, I can feel the difference. I can see the difference. What do you guys think on camera? Like camera पे दिख रहा है क्या difference? मुझे तो real life में दिख रहा है difference. I can feel the difference. Wow man, this is really nice product. I just loved it. I'll just do one thing. I'll wash my face and get back to you. Just hold on. Okay guys, I washed my face. देख लेते हैं. I can feel washed, as in I have just washed it with water. Don't wash with a face wash or something. Okay guys, first thing, I can feel the difference. I can feel the refreshment on my skin. Like wow, it's really a wow product. Now, okay guys, now let's talk about the product. I just love the product and the product is amazing. Like, you can use this product twice a week. Like, it claims that it is for daily use. It is written over here on the package that you can use daily. I don't mind using it daily. It's really a good product. I don't find it any problem in using it daily, but I would recommend use it twice a week, and the product is really amazing, and 10 minutes and go. So it is from the Gardens of Lotus. It is recyclable, it is cruelty free, and everything is amazing about this product. The best part is it is of tomatoes and tomatino, like वो जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा में है ना, there is a tomatino festival. So उससे मुझे ये याद आ गया, इससे मुझे वो याद आ गया. बट डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ रियली अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट. I just loved it. You can just try it out. If you are planning to buy this product, just go to their website and use my coupon code, that is Dhruvi20, and you'll get 20% discount while you buy this product. There are different other products as well on their website. After trying this product, I'm definitely going to try other products from their website. I just loved it. Like, सच्ची में बहुत अच्छा है. Anyways, and it has a vegetarian mark as well, so I feel this is a vegan product. I don't know, I am not 100% sure about it, but yes, यहाँ पे mark है vegetarian का green dot वाला. Okay guys, that was all for today, and especially after trips, these kind of products are really handy and must have it. Not only trips, but even if you go out, your skin definitely gets tan and you have to scrub and all those harsh products on your skin. I feel these tomato products are really amazing. You can just watch my DIY tomato face pack video as well, link given in the description box. You just go and check out the description box. Yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Bye bye, see you in next video.